What's good, everybody? I know it's been a minute since I've been on. Just wanted to give you guys an update of what's happening. Right now, I'm currently at the Hummingbird with my daughter. She is an aspiring paranormal investigator. Kind of just taking her on a soft run to kind of show her how things work. Getting a lot of action, as you can hear. That's the REM pod going off in the back with a Shadow Master going off next to that. And I will show you guys here in just a second. Here in, let's see, 3 days, 4 days, be heading to Vegas to do that investigation. Super stoked. We're gonna have a lot of videos coming out, collabing with paranormal investigators from Las Vegas. Lisa, give you a shout out. She's a good friend of mine now. My wife is gonna be with us. She's not gonna be investigating, but we're all just kind of, taking a little family vacation down there, and it's gonna be fun. So I hope you guys enjoy tonight. So check this out. You see those pieces of equipment just going nuts, and if you're here with us, light up that REM pod. If you're standing right next to it, please light it up. Oh, don't be afraid. You were lighting it up there. Hey, thank you. See, that's what I'm talking about. Direct responses. See?
Light the REM pod up if you are sitting on the chair right next to it.
Well, it looks like our visitor is sitting right next to the REM pod. I'm wondering what happened. If I turn this on, can I capture an image of you? If I can, will you please light that REM pod up? No? Well, okay. All right. Well, yes. That's the Shadow Master, so I appreciate you lighting that up for us and making the noises go off. That's pretty legit. Appreciate that. But I would like for you to light the REM pod up so I can get a direct response to know if I can turn my FLIR on and hopefully capture an image of you. Well, we're just going to go ahead and roll with it anyways. Let's see. Go ahead and show yourself. Where are you? Come on, show yourself, please. That's all we ask. Why are you so quiet now? You're usually never this quiet.
You say that they don't like to be filmed.
You guys don't like to be filmed. My daughter said that you said that to her. What else are they saying, Lyric?
I'm saying please stop.
Please stop what? Filming?
I think so. That's the noise I hear.
All right. Stop filming. You're welcome. That was a thank you. Do you like that I work here? Do you like that you have to see me all the time? If you do, light that REM pod up. Okay. Another question for you. I came into work the other day and some things were moved around, which I know I didn't touch. Was that you? If that was you, please light the REM pod up. Thank you. So, are you just toying around with me then? Or is that you letting me know that you're there? That you're watching me or you're watching over me? Or if that's the case, will you light the REM pod up?
Is your name Ben? Are you 7 years old?
Is your name Ben? Okay, I guess not. Oh, maybe it is. Okay, yes. And are you 7 years old, Ben? Huh. Okay. Do you like me? If you like me, would you light the REM pod up? Okay.
Do you
Awesome.
Like me?
Do you like my daughter? Meeting my daughter? Do you like her so far? If you like her, please light the REM pod up. Oh.
Maybe they have to just meet me and stuff.
Could that be the case? She's a really cool person. Really cool. All right, well. Uh-oh, it's going nuts now.
I just got the chills.
You just got the chills? So you like us both then? It's like the way the REM pod is going off is almost kind of like Morse code.
Yeah.
Like, can you control, I mean, with your energy, the lighting of how you light this REM pod up? Like, okay, let's test this theory out. Would that be okay? You see, guys, how the REM pod just going crazy? I feel a lot of energy over here.
Same. It's really cold over here.
But I guess the question that I have right now is there more than one of you here?
Yes.
Wow. Evidence. Love it.
Is there a lady sitting right there on that chair? Yeah. Yeah.
The way the REM pod's just going off, it's like it's a communication almost.
Like, yeah.
You would concur? Yeah, I guess they would both concur. Yeah, the energy right now is pretty heavy, and I'm starting to get like a headache. Like I can just,
Yeah, I'm getting kind of dizzy.
I can't. Yeah, muscles are kind of hurting a little bit, but it could be because I worked all day too.
Yeah.
So, there's more than one of you here, obviously. And you like me and my daughter. I'm hoping that you can speak with us and that we can capture your voice as well, too.
Would you like to use the communication thing on his phone? Possibly.
Oh, no, we can't use that because I gotta be able to film it and I can't film it. This is a very active spot. This is definitely not the energy that I would feel in the basement, which is very, very, very bad, Lyric. So we're gonna just stay up here. It's very bad. And I think he agrees. Okay, we're going to sit down. Like, there's just a lot of activity in these older buildings in Uptown Butte. Just a lot of history. These buildings they were some of the first buildings built when they created this town. It's pretty awesome that you can go anywhere uptown and get activity. So, anyways, guys, we are hoping that you like the show so far. I know this is a spot that's been frequented by me, so just wanted to get my daughter out and have her, experience some of this stuff, because she's gifted as well, and she's learning about her gift. And I feel that teaching her and having her go on one of these soft runs with me it's a good idea. That way she's not out there trying to do crazy stuff, and she can learn, from somebody who's been doing it for a long time and who understands them. And but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like button. Please share. Please subscribe. Help this channel grow. And we will see you guys next week in Vegas. Whoop whoop!